Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add a video link right here in this stream page right here. Very important. First, we're going to locate the video. All right. So this itself is the video right here. Or we can choose any one of these videos. So I'm going to come like this. I'm going to block this link right here. Going to right click on it. You notice. Going to click on copy. You can come right up here, minimize. So there you go right here. You notice when I click, notice this show link. So if I right click here, I haven't seen paste. Just press the Control and V and just show. Alright, so now it show up right here. So this is add link. Now when I click on add link, this is what come up right here. So it's right here, shows I must add a video. Now when you click, there you go with the video right here. So you can actually write something here to tell whether the student in the class or whatever side watch this video to see what is such and such. Right, and so this is the assignment for XYZ. You can actually write something inside here, just the same. And when you're done, you can actually post it to them on all that. So this is where you add a link right here on the stream page in Google Classroom. I hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in this video.